What is good, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Umami Hunter. I'm Zach. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. For most. Majority of the time, my breakfasts are a little bit, well, they're boring. I'll have either a hard-boiled egg, I'll have some oatmeal, a little bit of fruit, pair it with a little coffee, and that's my nourishment for the morning. I like lunch and dinner a lot more than breakfast, let's put it that way. But when I'm in the mood for a guilty pleasure breakfast sandwich, I go to one spot, Devil's Teeth Bakery. Hands down, one of the best, if not the best breakfast sandwich in San Francisco. Is located out in the suburbs by Ocean Beach. Moist, buttery biscuit on the outside, crunchy bacon, melty cheese, and pillowy eggs. Do I have your attention yet? Let's go get one. Are you ready for this? It is game time. Oh, look at that pillowiness. Oh my goodness. Ah, it's like a Tempur-Pedic. It's like a Tempur-Pedic bed. When I got this, it was piping hot. There it is in all its glory. Wow. That right there is what I am talking about. This is going to be a big bite. The thing is stacked up. Man. The butteriness of this biscuit, it just sends you into a zen place. That's why I had to take a breath and take it in. Then you get hit with that nice pillowy egg, the crunchy bacon, and that cheese just gives it that richness. I gotta get a little bit more of the cheese and bacon action here. Damn, this sandwich is so freaking good. If it wasn't so dense and heavy, I'd probably eat two of them. But one's my limit. Even if it is not breakfast time, I will go there and just get the plain biscuit itself. Devil's Teeth biscuit game, it ain't no joke. Their biscuits are top notch. You wouldn't want Popeyes, you wouldn't want KFC biscuits after this. There's an option where you get loaded up with avocado as well. I ate 2 avocados for breakfast, didn't need it. There is no chincing here. This thing is stacked up. When you eat it piping hot, it's quadruple better than how I'm eating it right now. Bring yourself a little bit of Tabasco or some Tapatio to put on top. I think that would make this even better. I'm about to crush the rest of this, but before I do, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And if you want to get notified for new videos, click on that subscribe. Peace, grub, and happiness to you all. I'll see you next time.